Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to sell your artwork as NFT on the OpenSea marketplace without paying gas fee. Unlike my last video where you have to pay for gas fee while putting up your artwork, so there has been an update on OpenSea whereby you can put your artwork for sale using Polygon where you don't have to pay for your gas fee. So let's just run through the process. To log into my account. Okay, these are previous artwork I put up for sale, so let's create a new NFT. So I have to log into my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so here we're going to upload the artwork. So I have okay, so let's start with this. So I call this, then your external link you can use if you have a website where your content where you talk about your content, you can put that here. Then a description for your content, so I can call this okay, under collection, if you have a collection which you've created before or you need a new collection, just go under your account, go under collections, then you create a new collection, then come back here, then you can add this item to a collection. So I have a collection before, so let's just add it under the random collection. So under properties you can ways to describe your item. So let me just say you can use whatever you feel like here. So let's just use this for now. Then numeric traits, this I really don't put anything here. Then the stats, I really don't put anything here. Unlockable content, if whenever someone buys this item, if there's an another item the user will unlock, say for example I can upload this item, then put up probably the original file. If I want the person to also get the original file, I can add it as an unlockable item, which I'll just put a link to the file here. But for this case I'm not doing this. Explicit and sensitive content, and this is not an explicit content, so moving on. Then here under blockchain, if you use Ethereum you have to pay for gas fee, but if you don't want to pay for gas fee, just select Polygon, which is free. Then you create. Okay, so we have an item here. Now we have to put it up for sale. So this is, we just finished uploading the item to the marketplace. Now let's put it up for sale. So under you come under sell, but before you sell, make sure all the items you put in here are correct. You don't want to edit anything, because after putting up the item for sale, you can't go back to edit. So let's put this item for sale. So here, this is where you put in the amount you want to sell for this item. So let's use 0.003. Okay, let's, price is below collection floor price of 0.03. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I guess the initial price we had was below the collection floor price. So what we can do here is go back and change the collection. So let's go back, let's edit this item. So let's create a new collection then. Okay, so we need to create a new collection here. So let's just use one of these as an image for the collection. Featured image, you can do that later. Your banner image, you can do that later. So let's call this collection eggs 01. Then okay, that's available. Then a link to your collection. Let's use the same thing. So for your description, you can put in a description of what the collection is about. So category, this is under art. Then you can put links to your social accounts here and your website. So royalties, is the percentage fee you get when a user sell your item. So let's make this 3%. Then you need to add your payout address. So I'm going to get my wallet address here. Just put that there. Ethereum. So add a token. Let's just use this. Then so this is how your items look when they are displayed in the marketplace. So let's pick this, then create. So now that the collection is created, we'll go back to add item to the collection. So upload first item, call this. Then if you have external link to the item there, then so the collection is selected. Let's change this to Polygon, then create. So your item has been created. Now let's sell it. So let's put 0.003, or let's say 5. Let's just sell it for okay, $12 is fine, or let's say 30. Okay, I think this is fine. Then the duration, how long will this last for? So I think 6 months is fine. Let's just leave it. Then complete listing, unlock, you will log in. So it will ask you to log in, so sign in. Okay, sign in again. Okay, so your item is now in the marketplace. So you can now share these items with your friends or your followers so they can buy the item. So that's basically it. That's how you sell your NFT on the OpenSea marketplace without the need to pay for gas fee. So this is like an update to the last video I made, whereby in the last video then Polygon was not available, so you have to use the Ethereum and you have to pay gas fee to put up those items to the marketplace. But with Polygon, you don't have to pay for gas fee. So that's it. If you have questions, please you can reach out to me, and I'll try as much as possible to answer your questions. So, and thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.